AIPROG is all about algorithms, inventions, and passion. We have the ability to transform our passion into problem-solving solutions. AIPROG is a startup which deals in IT services such as software development, machine learning and deep learning projects like retail store business and facial expression recognition, mobile app development, graphics design, search engine optimization, digital marketing, video recording and editing like whiteboard animation, motion graphics, advertisements, and voiceover. You can mail us on contact@aiprog.ai to get best deals and offers on our services. Visit our website aiprog.ai for more details.